Hey man, say man, yo man, what's good man? Let's talk about this stock market today, baby. Guys, we sold off today, and I mean like we sold off. Everything was red, guys. The SPY was red, the Dow Jones was red, the NASDAQ was red. But besides that, guys, I want to talk about Tesla specifically. See, Tesla was red today, right? Because generally the overall market was red, so that's going to have an effect on most stocks, right? But not only that, Tesla also released some news, right? That they will potentially be laying off 10% of their employees. Guys, that is not good news. That is bad. When you as a company have to lay off 10% of your employees, guys, that is not a good catalyst. It's a negative catalyst, right? And so that is why we seen so much selling coming into the Tesla stock, is because of the negative catalyst, along with the overall market just being red today, guys. So before we get into it though, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. And with that being said, go ahead and hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, leave a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss no more content. You dig? Let's get into it. All right, guys, let's get into it. So on the charts, right, you can see we are selling off. We've been selling off ever since the beginning of April, right? So this last swing high right here, right, was what, the 953 level, right? Until we break that level, guys, I'm looking for selling opportunities. Yeah, you get these little rallies like what's going on right here, but look at this. I mean, this looks to me to be a pullback, right? I've got this ascending level of resistance, a trend line, right? And we opened today below the trend line, right? And so I was looking for selling opportunities today, guys. And honestly, we closed yesterday above this 13 EMA, but we still didn't make it out of the top of this previous resistance level, right? So I was waiting for that to be looking for a long opportunity, guys, or even just to open above where we closed yesterday. I mean, I would have been looking for a long opportunity, just a trend continuation, right? But today, I mean, just the fact that we opened below the trend line, guys, we broke trend, right? And it takes big money to do that, right? Like, we as traders don't control where the market opens or closes, right? It takes big money to do that. So I just took it as negative sentiment, right? Big money put the price below the trend line. I'm looking for selling opportunities, right? And then, guys, we have a couple of other things that are in our favor, right? Well, I should say one other thing, right? I got the stochastic RSI, right? And it's crossing, right? It's pointing down, right? So the stoch is pointing down, right? We've already had a little rally right here, right? So it's looking like we got a pullback coming. Where could we possibly be heading? Probably to this 648 range to 621 range, right? That's previous level of support. Okay. So that's something to look for in the near future. I'm pretty sure we're gonna bust through this level of support right here come next week. I don't think it stands a chance. Just the fact that we broke this overall trend line, and also we're still below the 200 EMA, guys. So and then, like, if we were in a true uptrend, right, this would be on top, right? Then you would have this green EMA right here, this 50 period estimated 50 period moving average, would be below the blue, and then the red would be on the bottom, right? They'd all be stacked up in order, right? But that's just not the case right now, guys. So like I said, until we get back on this trend, I'm looking for selling opportunities, guys. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Hope you learned something today. Go ahead and hit that like button, leave a comment for the YouTube algorithm. and subscribe so you don't miss another video. It's been nice. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace.